Hey everyone, Ali Abdaal here. You might know me as a doctor, but these days I'm more of an entrepreneur, productivity nerd, and author of the best-selling book, Feel Good Productivity. My journey from medical student to YouTuber and entrepreneur has been full of twists and turns, but one thing that's remained constant is my love for learning new skills, especially those with high income potential. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about 5 in-demand skills that can boost your income and open up a world of opportunities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a career change, or just want to level up your skill set, this video is for you. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos packed with actionable advice and insights. Now let's get started. The first high-income skill on our list is becoming a software consultant. Now before you shy away thinking you need to be a coding whiz, hear me out. Businesses are increasingly relying on software like Notion, HubSpot, Airtable, and the like to streamline their operations. The problem is, many entrepreneurs and small business owners don't have the time or the know-how to implement these powerful tools effectively. That's where you come in. By becoming a software consultant, you can help businesses unlock the full potential of these platforms. Imagine setting up efficient workflows in Notion, creating automated sales funnels in HubSpot, or building custom databases in Airtable. You'd be surprised how many businesses are willing to pay a premium for someone with this expertise. Take Melina, for example. She's a Notion whiz who turned her passion for organization into a thriving consulting business. She helps entrepreneurs and companies organize their ideas, projects, and workflows using Notion, and she charges top dollar for her services. Her story is a testament to the fact that you don't need to be a tech genius to succeed as a software consultant. All you need is a deep understanding of the software and a knack for solving problems. The best part, you can learn these skills online at your own pace. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and even YouTube offer comprehensive courses on Notion, HubSpot, and other popular business software. Invest the time to master these tools, and you'll be amazed at the earning potential that opens up. Think about it. You could be the go-to person for businesses struggling to manage their projects in Asana, or the one who helps companies automate their marketing efforts in MailChimp. The possibilities are endless, and the demand for skilled software consultants is only going to increase in the coming years. So, if you're looking for a high-income skill with low barriers to entry, becoming a software consultant might just be the perfect fit for you. It's a flexible, in-demand field that allows you to work remotely and be your own boss. Plus, you get to help businesses thrive by leveraging the power of technology. What's not to love? Let's move on to our next high-income skill, copywriting. Now you might be thinking, copywriting, isn't that just writing ads? Well, yes and no. Copywriting is the art and science of crafting persuasive words that inspire action. It's about understanding human psychology and using language to influence decisions. Think about it. Every time you buy something online, click on a link, or sign up for a newsletter, you've been influenced by effective copywriting. From compelling website copy to engaging social media posts and persuasive sales pages, copywriters are the invisible force behind countless successful marketing campaigns. Here's the thing. Businesses are willing to pay a premium for copywriters who can drive conversions and boost their bottom line. Why? Because even a tiny improvement in conversion rates can translate to a significant increase in revenue. If you have a knack for writing and a desire to learn the psychology of persuasion, copywriting could be your ticket to a lucrative career. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree to get started. There are tons of resources available online to help you master the art of copywriting. One book I highly recommend is Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. It's a practical guide packed with actionable tips and techniques that you can implement immediately. Remember, copywriting is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. But with dedication and the right resources, you can become a master wordsmith capable of crafting compelling copy that converts. Chapter 3. Designer, the Visual Storyteller. The third high-income skill on our list is design. In today's visually driven world, businesses need eye-catching graphics, user-friendly websites, and engaging social media content to stand out from the crowd. This is where skilled designers come in. Whether it's web design, graphic design, or user interface, UI, and user experience, UX design, the demand for talented designers is constantly growing. Just think about your own online experience. You're more likely to engage with a website that's visually appealing and easy to navigate, right? Now I can personally vouch for the high demand for design skills. Back in my medical school days, I freelanced as a designer for medical technology companies. Even with my limited experience, I was able to secure well-paying gigs simply because the demand outstripped the supply. The beauty of design is that you don't need a formal degree to break into the industry. Platforms like Skillshare and YouTube are teeming with fantastic design tutorials and courses. One YouTube channel I highly recommend is Abby Connick's channel. She shares incredible tips and tricks on graphic design, branding, and building a freelance business. So, if you have an eye for aesthetics and a passion for creating visually appealing content, consider diving into the world of design. It's a fulfilling and lucrative field with endless opportunities for growth. Chapter 4. Website Builder Architect of the Online World. Let's talk about website building, a skill that's more crucial than ever in today's digital landscape. Every business, from small startups to global corporations, needs a website. It's their online storefront, their virtual business card, and a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience. Now you might be thinking, isn't website building complicated and technical? It used to be. But nowadays, with user-friendly platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress, creating a professional-looking website is easier than ever. Think back to my own journey. When I started my YouTube channel, I knew absolutely nothing about building websites. But I took the plunge, learned the basics of WordPress, and built my own website from scratch. And let me tell you, the demand for web designers has skyrocketed since then. The key is to equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Figma for web design, Canva for creating stunning graphics, and Photoshop for image editing. These tools are your secret weapons in crafting visually appealing and functional websites. Remember, a well-designed website can make or break a business. It's the first point of contact for potential customers, and it needs to make a lasting impression. By mastering the art of website building, you're not just creating websites, you're building online experiences that can elevate businesses to new heights. Chapter 5. Video Editor, the Master of Moving Pictures. The final high-income skill we'll explore is video editing. With the rise of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other video-sharing platforms, the demand for skilled video editors has exploded. Businesses and individuals alike are realizing the power of video content to engage audiences, tell stories, and market their products or services. Think about it. Every time you watch a captivating YouTube video, a funny TikTok, or a sleekly edited advertisement, you're witnessing the work of a talented video editor. They're the ones who take raw footage and transform it into polished, engaging content that captures our attention. And here's the thing. Video editing is a skill that can command a high income. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for editors who can create professional quality videos that resonate with their target audience. Now you might be wondering, what does it take to become a video editor? Well, it all starts with mastering video editing software. Industry standard tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro might seem daunting at first, but trust me, they're more user-friendly than you might think. There are tons of online resources, tutorials, and courses available to guide you through the ins and outs of video editing. YouTube itself is a treasure trove of free tutorials from experienced editors, so if you have an eye for detail, a passion for storytelling, and a desire to learn the technical aspects of video editing, this could be the perfect high-income skill for you. So there you have it, 5 high-income skills that can boost your personal stock price in today's competitive job market. Whether you're drawn to the strategic thinking of a software consultant, the persuasive power of a copywriter, the creative flair of a designer, the technical prowess of a website builder, or the storytelling magic of a video editor, there's a skill out there waiting to be unlocked. The key is to identify your strengths, interests, and the skills that align with your career aspirations. Remember, the job market is constantly evolving, and the ability to adapt and acquire new skills is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on productivity, learning, and personal growth. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring your potential.